How to fix Gmail not receiving emails. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix the Gmail app not receiving your emails. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to simply go ahead and open up your Gmail application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. From here, you want to tap on the hamburger menu at the top left. And from this sidebar, you need to go ahead and select settings down below. Tap on it. Now from here, you need to select the account that you want to change the settings of, or that you are having trouble receiving your emails. And once you have selected your account, you basically have to simply go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom until you find data users, and here you can see an option to sync to Gmail. Make sure that this option is checked or selected, so just go ahead and make sure that this happens. And once that is done, you need to make sure that your notifications are turned on as well. Go ahead and tap on notifications. Make sure that all the notifications are selected as well. Now from here, you can just go ahead and clear everything out. Long press on the Gmail app and then tap on the I button at the top right corner. Once you are on the settings menu, you can go over to storage down below, tap on it, and then tap on clear cache. Once you've done that, go back and go to permissions and then tap on permissions. From here, you need to make sure that all the permissions are allowed. And then finally, you can try to force stop the app. So what force stopping does is if there's something going on in the background, it's going to completely restrict its background activities. Then you can try to open Gmail again and see if it works. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.